What's the advantage for the for the children or for the fathers to make legacies to be followed by their children? What do you think?
Like, first of all, the children following their father's legacy promotes culture.
Promotes culture.
Yes, and second of all, like when a father knows that his or her child is going to follow his legacy, he or she does her best to see that his legacy is good, so that he can leave good memories to the children, so that when the children grow, they can be like them. Because no parent wants his or her child to be a bad person in future, and no parent wants his or her child to follow a bad legacy.
Okay.
Yes. So they want to leave a good legacy in their museums, so that their children can see an example.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yes, you're welcome.